How to lock your Facebook profile officially. To officially lock your Facebook profile, so let's get started with these quick and easy steps. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, all you have to do is go to your Facebook profile. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen and you will be navigated to your Facebook profile. Now, once in there, all you have to do is tap on the three dot right next to the edit profile. Once you tap on it, scroll and tap on lock profile. Now, once you tap on the lock profile, all you have to do is read the details and simply tap on the lock your profile option available there and confirm it. And that is it. You will get a confirmation message that your profile has been logged. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.